Meet Chris. Meet Noah. After cops and law enforcement were obliterated due to similar cosmic forces that pushed dinosaurs to their extinction, Chris and Noah are the two protagonists that the community looks to for guidance and justice.
I hate living in this damn bag in Baghdad as a bat with baseball bat legs. It's so stupid. I hate it all. I hate everything. I hate everyone. Everyone sucks. What's the point? They all make fun of me because of my baseball bat legs. Hey, look at him. What are you doing with those puny little baseball bat legs? And they laugh at me and they point. Everything sucks. Being bad. Please, get on the ground! Please, get on the ground! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
When I was just a young boy in high school, I discovered true love. Found out what love was, and you know, it really meant everything to me. This girl, but she didn't see it the same way. I woke up one morning and I was going to pick her up from school, and I went to her, or pick her up to take her to school because we were in love. And when her doorbell, Mom answered, and he said, "Where is my love?" And she said, she was crying, and she said, "Look." And I looked, she was just a bag of jewels on the kitchen floor. She was sitting there, just burlap sack full of diamonds and rubies. I'll never forget her, and I'll never forget that day. It changed me. It changed me for better or worse. It changed me though. I'll never forget her as a person or a bag of jewels. Please find her. Please.
Okay, I will! Hey Noah, word on the street is Rob's girlfriend went missing and turned into a bag of jewels. Or she might have turned into... No, yeah, she turned into a bag of jewels.
Oh crap, dude, that's baddie.
And he wants us to find her. Or I said I'd help. So... yeah, what's your thoughts on it, Noah?
So you're telling me we have to find Rob's girlfriend who was turned into a bag of jewels?
Yeah, let's check it out. No, that is a good place, you're right.
Turn her back into a human from a bag of jewels? That's also baddie. I think maybe
you're
check
right.
the beach, because I know sometimes when if I were to turn into a bag of jewels,
piece of shit,
I would go to the beach and go there and turn into something else, because that's just what I would do in that situation. Yeah, and if we can't find the bag of jewels there, then maybe it's at a campground, like in a fire or something.
Maybe it is the fire. I'm on board with that.
Maybe it is the fire.
Let's check it out.
We'll have to shoot the sad boy dead into the pavement. And that'll be that.
Yes?
And,
no. Yes. No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Shit, dog.
No. We should try acid.
Maybe
Oh.
us find a bag of jewels
No.
that
Yes.
is also Rob's
No.
girlfriend that turned into a bag of jewels.
Bag of
and we have
jewels,
to
you
find
say?
her,
Wait,
but she might
reiterate
not be a bag
everything
of
that you
jewels
just said.
anymore. She might
Tell
have taken
me
another
it
form
twice.
since like a
Oh wait,
seagull,
I was telling you
or
about
maybe
it.
a fire.
So basically,
or,
Rob's girlfriend went missing, turned into a
maybe
bag
that
of
would
jewels.
help
Can you
in
believe
doing
it?
that.
Yeah, me neither, dude.
Shit,
Let's
dude,
try
that's
acid.
Maddie.
Let's go.
Everything still sucks. Just a little gassier now, I guess. I'm so lonely. Those guys attacked me. Just wish somebody would come along and take me away. And just make everything better. But I'm so gassy. Nobody wants to hang out with a bag bastard who's got baseball bat legs. He's from Baghdad. He's just a loser. No way. No way. Excuse me. Hey. Over here, the back guy with the baseball bat legs. Are you Dave Duchovny?
Of X-Files fame? Californication?
We just got Californication over here in Baghdad. It's like my favorite show. I relate to it so much because I got these baseball bat legs, and I'm just like you with a sex addiction. You know, I'm gushing right now, but I made this fan art for you, David.
Hey, it's me, David Duchovny. You bet I fucking do. Shut the fuck up, bad bastard, putrid scum, shut up.
Everything's just the worst.
For crossing my path and being such a bastard, I'm going to turn you into a morphing bag of jewels and you will face the same fate as Rob's girlfriend.
Duh! What? Oh! Duh! Oh my god!
Oh no, there he is.
That's no seagull. That's a bag of jewels.
I want him dead.
Me too.
Let's go.
They were unsuccessful in killing the king seagull. They had no other leads. A large amount of time passed until they encountered the morphing jewels again.
There it is.
That's no fire. That's a bag of jewels.
I want it dead.
Me too.